Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the app cannot be installed error on Scarlet. If you're using Scarlet and you're facing the issue that your app cannot be installed, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go back and open your settings app here, go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and go to VPN and device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just simply go back and here go to your apps section and here just look for Safari or your own browser which you're using. In my case, I'm using Safari, so I'm gonna look for Safari here. Just select this, scroll down, and just look for clear history and website data. Just select this option and then tap on clear history. It will clear all the history and website data because sometimes it might be that it's in the junk file in your website data or your browser data. So it might be held in these type errors. After doing this, you have to simply go for the general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to try to make a full restart with the iPhone. So now to do this, just quickly press on the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just simply release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have been fixed, or if you're still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way. You just have to try to uninstall your Scarlet and then reinstall it from the official website. And after that, you'll not find any kind of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.